In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 3 classic leadership characters to help you figure out which leadership style is right for you. So first up, Autocratic Alan. Alan loves being the boss. He makes all the decisions and dishes out the orders. And he watches his people really closely to make sure they're doing everything properly. Sometimes this is great. Things get done fast and he's on top of all of it. But often Alan's team feels unmotivated, uninspired and unlistened to. They're just cogs in a wheel doing what they're told, and that's a bit thankless. The opposite is Democratic Dina. She consults her team about everything, gets everyone's opinions, and likes taking votes on tricky decisions. And her team feel that their voices are heard and they're part of setting the agenda, which is great. But Alan looks across from his office and wonders why everything in Dina's team takes so long. And then there's Bureaucratic Bill. He's all about the systems and processes. He makes sure there's a policy and rulebook for everything, and his management style revolves around making sure everyone follows the rulebook. His team like the consistency, but get frustrated by needing to get everything approved by 4 committees, and sometimes they feel like Bill cares more about the policies than the people. So you're interviewing for a leadership role and you need an answer to the question, what's your leadership style? What sort of leader are you? Do you ever see the Pixar movie Inside Out? It's all about a girl, Riley, and the emotions, sadness, anger, fear, and so on, that live in her head as little people. Well, you need to have Alan, Bill, and Dina in your head. And when one of your team asks you something, you'll hear Alan saying, just tell him what to do. And Dina saying, no, ask him what he wants to do. And Bill saying, what does the handbook say he should do? Your job is to balance all this out. For this situation with this person, I'm going to listen to Bill and turn to the handbook. Another time you might listen to Alan. Find your balance. Treat each situation on its merits. When you do this, you're creating your own leadership style that's unique and perfectly authentic to you. And that's where you want to be. If you've enjoyed this and want to learn more about how to lead smarter, not harder, grab my expert pack at the link in the description. How to plan your day in 5 minutes, have great one-to-one meetings, and actually build your leadership CV for you for free. All right, YouTube should be showing you the video it thinks you should watch next over here, so go check it out, and I'll see you there.